No pale blue dot. NASA and ESA photos show how different our planets look like in space. The two space agencies have a joint solar probe called Solar Orbiter that captured the shining planets Earth, Venus, and Mars. No pale blue dot. NASA and ESA photos show how different our planets look like in space. Have you ever wondered how planets in our solar system looked from a distance or from the vicinity of the Sun? Well, think no more, because the National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) and the European Space Agency (ESA) have released the pictures captured by their Sun probe on Tuesday. The two space agencies have a joint solar probe called Solar Orbiter that captured the shining planets Earth, Venus, and Mars. In an Instagram post that was shared by the ESA earlier this week, the planets are visible in a recording made by the heliospheric imager (SLOHI) camera on board the ESA-NASA Solar Orbiter spacecraft. The ESA also shared a video where the Solar Orbiter is appearing to move as it travels around the Sun. The planets can also be seen in motion in the SLOHI field of view, but ESA mentions in its caption that their motions are different because of their individual orbital movements around the Sun. The European Space Agency mentions that the SLOHI is one of the 6 remote sensing instruments that are present on the Solar Orbiter. The SLOHI is used to take images of the solar wind, which is the stream of charged particles that are constantly released by the Sun into outer space. The instrument does that by capturing the light scattered by electrons in the wind. NASA and ESA's joint solar probe is known to be one of the most complex machines ever built to study the Sun and the solar wind. The mission takes images of the Sun at a much closer distance than any other spacecraft. NASA also has 2 other solar missions of its own called Parker Solar Probe and Solar and Terrestrial Relations Observatory. These 2 probes have also sent in their versions of how the planets in the solar system look. In an Instagram post by NASA, the images captured by all 3 solar probes are shared. The image captured by NASA's Parker Solar Probe is in 2 frames and shows 6 of our solar system's planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. The image was taken on the 7th of June, 2020. The photograph, captured on the 18th of November, 2020, shows the 3 planets standing out brightly with myriad stars and astronomical bodies twinkling in the background. The first planet from left, Venus, is the brightest planet in the video, which the ESA says was around 48 million kilometers away from the solar orbiter. Meanwhile, its distance to Earth was 251 million kilometers and 332 million kilometers to Mars on the day the photograph was taken. The Sun is outside the frame. Please save the trees and nature. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.